When I want to eat something with strong Indian influences, I instantly think about curry, so today I want to show you how to cook a simple classic chicken curry. "400 grams diced onion, 6 garlic cloves, 80 milliliters vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons tomato concentrate, 1 tablespoon red bell pepper paste, cardamom powder, crushed cumin seeds, chili powder, curry powder, sugar, and salt. 350 milliliters chopped tomato pulp, 300 grams diced potatoes, 2 dried chilies, half a teaspoon coriander seeds, and a 1-inch cinnamon stick. 400 grams skinless chicken thighs cut into medium curry-sized chunks, 100 grams yogurt, 2 teaspoons fresh pressed ginger. For our marinade, we will need 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and 1 teaspoon salt. We will begin this recipe by marinating the chicken, and we will do this by adding yogurt into a large bowl together with 1 teaspoon pressed garlic and 1 teaspoon pressed ginger. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and 1 teaspoon chili powder, then 40 milliliters oil, and mix until well combined. Now we will add the chicken and mix it with the marinade until all is well coated, leaving it for at least 2 hours or preferably overnight to obtain a more aromatic taste. For the next step, we will add 40 milliliters oil in a large pan, 2 dried chilies, and a 1-inch cinnamon stick, together with a half teaspoon coriander seeds, sautéing them until fragrant. Now we will add the onion and cook it for 5 minutes. After that, add pressed ginger and garlic, 1 teaspoon crushed cumin seeds, and half a teaspoon cardamom powder, and continue to cook on medium heat until the onions turn translucent. When done, remove the chilies and the cinnamon stick. Now add potatoes and 80 milliliters water and cook them for 5 minutes. We will add the tomato pulp, red bell pepper paste, and tomato concentrate over and cook them for 5 minutes. It's time for the rest of the spices to dive in, so we will add 1 teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon curry powder. Now add the marinated chicken in the pan and put the lid on. Then cook everything on low heat for about 10 minutes until all ingredients are tender. Our curry is now done and ready to be served together with some delicious basmati rice. Good appetite, everyone. Till next time.